outside.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning and decorating the master bedroom. I'm going to be giving it all the Christmas vibes. I'm so excited about Christmas time. So I'm just starting off by cleaning the nightstands, giving them a good wipe down.
It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.
I'm also going to wipe the rest of the dressers down because they seem to collect a lot of dust and it's been a while, so I'm just gonna get everything nice and clean.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas.
I'm super excited to let you guys know all about our new mattress. So as you guys know, Colton and I are a huge fan of the Serta iComfort mattress, and I've recently partnered with them to let you know about their newest mattress, which is the iComfort by Serta. So it is the coolest iComfort yet, and it makes cool, comfortable sleep a priority. And this mattress was specifically designed to help you stay cool and comfortable while you sleep. So if you're a person that gets really hot during your sleep, then this is definitely the mattress for you. So it does have fibers that channel the heat away from your body, and so far we are obsessed. So if you guys are on the market for a new mattress, then definitely check it out. And with all the holiday deals going on, this would be the perfect time to look into getting a new mattress. So it is available at Serta, and I'll have a link below in case you guys are interested in checking it out.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing.
Still using the bamboo sheets that I got from Amazon, so if you guys are interested in checking those out, I will put a link below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put down this duvet cover, and I ordered it from Zgallerie. I really like it. I love the texture on it.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing.
And just to give the bed a little bit of layer and make it look a little bit more cozy, I'm gonna go ahead and put down this fuzzy throw, and I ordered this from Etsy. It's super soft.
Merry Christmas to you.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and add these big fuzzy pillows, and I love them because they always make the bed look a little bit more cozy, and I really wanted to go for the gray and white theme. I got these smoke gray pillow covers from Amazon, and the Believe pillows I got from Big Lots.
Tell me again with a whisper, little things that
I thought that adding the garland to the dresser would just give it a little bit more of a festive look, and I did get this from Hobby Lobby, and they had 50% off of all of their Christmas decor whenever I was shopping. So if you're still on the hunt for a few things, then definitely be sure to check them out.
I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh,
to give this space a little bit more of a Christmas feel, I added these Christmas trees that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and they actually light up. I just need to add batteries to them. And then also I wanted to add a few things to this taller dresser, so I just added the holiday goblets and then the smaller garland.
On a very special Christmas.
And now I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating the tree. So I didn't want anything that was going to be too over the top, especially for the bedroom, but I really just wanted something that we could just enjoy in the space. So I ordered it from JCPenney, and I think it's 7 feet, maybe 7.5 feet, but it's a really nice size for a smaller space. Like if you don't have a lot of room, then this would be the perfect tree because it fit perfectly in that little space. So I'm just adding some deco mesh, and this really helps. Like if you don't have a lot of ornaments, you can order this deco mesh from Amazon, and it's a couple of dollars, and it's really just going to help jazz your tree up and make it look a little bit more professional. It makes it look like you put a lot more time in it than you really did. So I wanted to add a lot of ribbon to this tree so I wouldn't have to add a lot of ornaments, because I just didn't want to take a lot of time decorating it, because we have a total of 6 trees in our house, and I didn't really want to spend a lot of time decorating this one. And I just decided to add like the silver and white, and it really matched with the bed nicely. Most of the ornaments are from Hobby Lobby and Big Lots.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
So now that I'm finished with all the decorating, I went ahead and vacuumed over the floors because there was glitter and stuff everywhere. So just wanted to make sure that I got the floors nice and clean.
Decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we...
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this clean and decorate with me. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out the Serta Eye Comfort. I will have a link listed below in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.